Now, Shane, Pogi, guapo. Guapo. Me too. Guapo, guapo, guapo. This guy is guapo for under observation. Body repair. Your body repair.
No, that's enough.
And also, there is a chief cook. Prince Alfred.
I don't like
What's that? Boss Alfred. Wow. Ooh. Shrimp.
You taste the.
Wow, it's good. I love it. Chief cook. From Brun. Is here again.
Burburjut
It's a burburjut. See, this is a burburjut. And also guapo. It's here. Oh.
Yeah. You just say that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show that. We're gonna show that. Yeah. It's the same day.
Dito yung kwan, yung niririntan ng aking
Yeah.
manugang na pam. Yan. Maganda. Luwang din.
Yeah.
Yan, mga karumblon.
Yeah. When we wait, right? You don't know if that's gonna come out for.
I just hope everything gets done on time.
Yeah.
Guwapo?
Nah.
Not guwapo. Me, guwapo.
Oh yeah, you got.
And also, Apired. Guwapo?
Hey, bro.
Guwapo.
Do you want broccoli in this shrimp or
It's up to you. You do your thing.
maybe just?
You're the chef.
It's up to you. It's a chief cook.
Yeah, you're the chef here.
Your chef master.
Master chef. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna use it.
There's no signal in here for some
No,
reason.
for picture.
Oh,
And may plato. I need the plato.
is it your phone?
Give me. Andres, come on. No, this is Andres.
Aldrich. Guwapo? Aldrich, guwapo? Oh, guwapo.
His emperor is still in the window.
Oh. Here's Edward. Ooh, Edward is there in the house. Molto.
Ang isang kapatid yan, Liza?
Mayonnaise.
Ha? Yun is yung niya, broccoli? Okay.
I forgot to buy a mayonnaise. What happened to your eyes?
Oh, shit.
You did it. Well, what happened? You did it.
Huh?
You see it? Is it bruised?
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. You.
How?
How else? Biting me, punching me, hitting me.
No!
Oh.
May picture na
Oh.
You put something
Give me your
that
I love it.
Honey,
you're just
Yeah.
irritating your eyes. That something that.
Maybe the dust.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, for a while. Yeah. But it's
Oh.
good. Don't worry about that.
Yum, yum, yum. Yan po ang luto ni Master Chef.
We're all matching.
Ito lang kuya.
Yan.
Yeah, ginaya si Victor.
Oh, what's that? Cellphone. Again, ay.
Pag-play kayo mo yung music na tabi, videohan natin sa